Subscribe na guys! Hello guys! So I'm off to the next leg of my Indochina tour. After namin i-explore and Ninh, bumalik na kami sa Hanoi and dumiretso na ako sa airport papuntang Ho Chi Minh City para i-meet yung group na makakasama ko. Sa Ho Chi Minh Airport na kami nagkita-kita ng mga kasama ko around 1 AM. Before mag-check-in sa hostel, ay kumain muna kami.
So first day, dito kami ngayon sa grupo. So yung tatlong guys na kasama namin, pinanta sila ng motor. Sila yung driver. Then yung tatlo namin kasama pang iba. Nakaatas naman. Ako, eto, pagdara mo. So, nandito kami sa apartment cafe. Kung nakikita niyo dun sa likod. Isa siyang building wherein lahat ng stalls, coffee shop. Ayun siya.
It is a charming relic of old Saigon that has been transformed into coffee shops and stores.
Isa yan sa mga tourist spot dito sa Ho Chi Minh.
This destination is perfect for those looking to relax, work, or simply enjoy the vibrant cityscape from above.
Itatry namin ngayon yung specialty coffee ng Vietnam, which is yung egg coffee. Try natin kung masarap ba talaga.
Coffee Trong is a widely popular Vietnamese egg coffee drink featuring strong brewed coffee topped by creamy sweet egg foam.
Ayun o, may egg coffee din. Ito may egg coffee din, ayun o. So, nag-order kami ng egg coffee dito sa Meraki Coffee, isa sa mga coffee apartment cafe. So, dito to sa 4th floor. So, try natin. Cheers! Hindi ko malasahan yung kape. Ba't kape? Hindi ko malasahan yung egg. Pero ang foamy niya.
Ang foamy niya, yes.
Ang foamy. Tsaka natapang yung kape nila.
I'm giving the Vietnamese egg coffee an 8 out of 10. Para kaming bumalik sa pagkabata dito, hinahabol namin yung mga pigeon.
Sa likod ko ay yung Municipal Theater of Ho Chi Minh City, also known as Saigon Opera House. Dito madalas nagpe-perform yung mga theater groups dito sa Ho Chi Minh City. Ginawa siya ng mga French architects noong 1898 and natapos yung construction around 1900. So sa ngayon nasa 124 years old na yung building na to. Eto siya.
Counting kaalaman, the most widely practiced religions in Ho Chi Minh City are Mahayana Buddhism, Taoism, and Confucianism.
Sakay ako ngayon sa Grab. Papunta nga sa Iguanote doon.
Hi kay kuya sa likod. Basta ingat ka lang. Bawal ang isang kamay sa pagmumotor.
So, ito yung Saigon Notre Dame Church.
Also known as the Cathedral Basilica of Our Lady of the Immaculate Conception. Ito naman yung Ho Chi Minh City Book Street, a 100-meter stretch near Notre Dame Cathedral, na perfect for book lovers and tourists.
Papunta tayo ngayon sa War Remnant Museum. papasok tayo sa War Remnants Museum dito sa Ho Chi Minh. Kuha lang tayo ng ticket. Let's see kung magkano.
One of Vietnam's most famous museums, the War Remnants Museum evokes strong emotions as visitors start to delve into numerous displays depicting the tragedies of war. The museum was established following the reunification of North and South Vietnam on April 30th, 1975.
Ito yung mga iba-ibang klase ng mga bombs na ginamit ng Vietnam War. So, ayun sila. Meron actually ditong screen na ipinapakita kung paano gumagana yung mga bomb dito. Hindutin lang natin to. Bomb turn can. Then, ayun. Papakita niya sa screen kung ano yung bomba na yun.
The museum collects, preserves, and displays documents, images, and artifacts to depict the shocking consequences of the war in this battle-torn country. At the same time, it highlights the fighting spirit and heroism of the whole nation. The War Remnants Museum is centrally located in District 3, which makes it easy to access other landmarks in the city center. Boy Vian Walking Street is a 650-meter nightlife strip in District 1 backpacker area, lined with more than 200 bars, restaurants, street food stalls, and live music spots that draw large nightly crowds. Boy Vian Walking Street is a lively nightlife area. Visitors are asked to be respectful. Due to its adult-oriented setting, minors are discouraged from visiting, and parental guidance is advised. Boy Vian is pure chaos in the best way. Neon lights everywhere, music from every corner, people from all over the world mixing into one constant flow.